Stellar Phoenix HP UNIX Data Recovery. Stellar Phoenix HP UNIX Data Recovery is the best tool that uses various techniques to restore lost files and volume from any HP UNIX operating system-based hard drive with JFS 3.0, JSF 3.1, or JSF 3.3 file system. This tool provides easy recovery through its interactive graphical user interface. This software is compatible with Windows 2000, XP and 2003. Features of Stellar Phoenix HP UNIX Data Recovery. It helps to recover data from SCSI, IDE, SATA and IDE hard drives. It allows resume recovery from previously saved scan information. It supports HP UX 11.0, 11IF1, and 11IF2. It also recovers lost, deleted, formatted or inaccessible files as well as volumes. It allows interactive graphical user interfaces with detailed instruction for smooth recovery. Why is Stellar Phoenix HP UNIX Data Recovery selected as the best tool? It saves your recovered data at any desired location. It provides facility to file filter option for selective recovery. It allows find file option to search required files. It also allows file mask option to narrow scan result. Experts advise downloading a free version of the software. It is recommended by the experts to download this software. A full version of this HP UNIX data recovery software allows you to save the scan information and perform the data recovery operations at any time and future, but in free download only offers the preview of the result. You can buy a paid version to get more advanced features. For more information please visit www.freesoftbooks.com. Thank for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to this video.